Grandparents, I am talking to you. Something very interesting happened to me when my daughter was pregnant, which she has been twice, two beautiful little boys. Because of my own postpartum experience, I was highly vulnerable, which I did not know, to also becoming a grandparent. So when she became pregnant, my postpartum OCD popped up again. It's like I was going through it again. It was fascinating and also alarming. I didn't know this was a phenomenon until I started looking into it more. Now, there's not a lot, really, if any, good research on this, but I have noticed, and the more I talk with other grandparents, especially those who have gone through their own perinatal stuff, they've experienced depression, anxiety. These feelings come up even when their children are expecting. So I wanted to speak with you. I am doing this work more and more. I would love to help you through it. I wrote an article, Scared to be a Grandma, which you can find on drshosh.com. But please do get in contact with me. There are all kinds of ways to do that. And I'd be so happy to coach you right through this interesting experience. Also, if grandparents, you are not having mental health issues, but your children are, if being new parents or just being parents, I'd be very, very happy to help you in whatever situation in which you find yourself. Often grandparents are taking care of the children because of various situations that their children are going through, whether it's financial or mental health or otherwise. This, especially in the last 5 years or so, if I hadn't mentioned that, this is a growing, it's a growing phenomenon. It's always been there, of course. Grandparents have always been quick to jump in and help their children with their children. But I am seeing it more and more, just like I am seeing a rise in mental health issues in general. Please feel free to reach out. There is now really good help out there, and I look forward to hearing from you.